Okay, so hello everyone, and welcome back to Shubhangi's Coding and Magical World. In this session, this is our game lab session as it's Tuesday, and you all know. We're going to design a Shinchan game in the game lab. Let's get started on okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to share my screen with you all, but just you need to wait in seconds so that we just wait in second. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let me share my screen. So this is the new tab. Okay, so I hope it's visible to you all. Just put in comment if it's just visible. Okay. So now let's get started. So first of all, we have to open the website which we use for making the game co.org. Okay, so just open that. Okay, just you have to open this co.org. So just my little bit net is slow. That's what's just taking some time. So you can see we are at the home page. But see, first of all, you have to sign in. Okay, the sign in, then only you will come till here. And if you want to save your projects and share your projects, then you need to sign in. For sharing, not, but saving your projects, you need to sign in. Okay, so it's important to sign in. So the sign in. Okay, so now just click at create, then choose this game lab. Okay, just choose the game lab. So now let's wait for it to open our game lab and open our magical place which we use for making the games. Okay, so you can see this is this kind of interface we're going to get. So first of all, let's rename our project. Okay, let's name our project. So its name should be Shinchan. Okay, Shinchan. Okay, so now let's click at save. Okay, so now after clicking that save or see. So first of all, go to animations, click at new animations. So see, we are having, not we are having is finish uh, or just give me a second. Okay, so first of all, let's click at draw your own. Okay, so now here we need some sprites of Shinchan. So just do one thing, just go at Google and type Shinchan. You will get the logo of Shinchan. We need two sprites also. We need a capsicum sprite also. Okay, so for capsicum, just type their capsicum here part. Okay, so this is too easy, right? Okay, so now after that, so first of all, I'm going to just go at Google and type that. I'll just give you the sprites also at Discord channel, so it will be easier for you to or take the sprite. Okay, so just give some seconds. Okay, so I have added all the sprite, but in my first logo of that, I can see there are some things not filled. So don't worry, or you can just use the color picker tool and fill it. So let's fill it. Okay. Okay, so we are done by for this doing this for the sprite. So now let's use this blue. Sorry, with this white color. Okay, so see if you want these sprites, then now I'm going to just send these sprites at the Discord also. Okay, and then just remember one thing for the first sprite of logo, you have to just use the color picker tool. Okay, and make it like this because by mistake the remove VG website has think that it's in background. That's why they have removed, but that's okay. So now I'm going to just share these sprites at Discord. Okay, so all these sprites have been sent to you at the Discord channel. So you can just go and take these sprites. Okay, so now after that, now let's come at the code. So see, first of all, for my project, I need here a logo sprite. So, but first of all, let's design. Let's put in background for that. Okay, so just go to drawings, set the very first block and drag it here. Okay, after that, just you can type there the name of that color. It's orange. So now let's run and see. So you can see the background is orange now. Okay. So see now let's go just go to sprites. So for adding the sprites, choose the very first block. Okay, which is where sprites. Okay. So it's named. Okay. So now let's give it a name there. Okay. So let's give it a name. So its name should be logo. Okay. Let's give the name as logo, and after that let's use this sprite.set animation. So the logo.set animation to this one. Okay, so now after choosing it, but you can see it's not visible to us, right? So why it's not visible? Because we haven't put the draw sprites. Okay, we haven't told the game lab to draw the sprite. So now let's use this draw sprites block, and now it will go. So you can see now it's working and the size is also good. So I don't think I need to just decrease it. Okay. So it's good. Okay. Now after that, see. But see, you can just play with the frames. You can make it more and more good. And see if you want to know how to duplicate the frames. Or see, just come up here. Come up here. Just click on duplicate this frame, and you will be able to duplicate the frames. Okay. So now see. But first of all, see in this second screen, I want to put this sprite, okay, this Shinchan one, and I would like to put the text also there, okay. So see, let's use this where. See, I just done a mistake. We don't need that. Yeah, so we need that capsicum by mistake. I told. Oh no, by mistake I just closed it. So now let me come here again, and now let me try. Okay. So after that, see, its name should be Shinchan 1. Okay, so Shinchan 1 and the Shinchan 1 dot set animation to okay. So Shinchan 1 dot set animation to this Shinchan 1. Okay, now let's run it and see. What happened? Oh, we have put their S instead of N. Okay, so Shin Shan one. Okay, but see, you can also see the error is okay. So they can't figure that what is Shinchan. Okay, so see, for that we need to declare a variable. Okay, so the sprite is also a variable. Okay, just remember this thing. Okay, so we have declared in variable only. Once reset and run it. So I can see it's here, and size I don't think I need to customize. So now let's give its position to 2. So see, let's put it here. Okay, so the x position should be 283 and y 320. Okay, so 283 and y should be 320. Okay, let's write there 320, and now let's reset and run it. Okay. Okay. So, okay, I think now it's in good. Okay. So now see, I just decrease the y position. I put the y position as 250. Okay. So now after that, okay, after that, see, but see, I can see that it's just here. Okay. I don't want to put it here. Okay. So let's use this visibility block. Okay, because if I will click this logo, then I want it to be visible. Okay, so let's use this visible block. So see, the Shinchan one dot with Shinchan one dot visible should be equal to true or false. Okay, so you can type the true or false. You can type this 0 also, and if should be visible, then it should be equal by any number. Okay, you can put any number. So it should be equal by 0. Let's put here 0. Now let's reset and run it. Okay, so I can see it's not visible to us. Okay, so now after that, now let's define the condition. Okay, so see, if now just go to words, scroll down, find this mouse pressed over block. Okay, so if mouse pressed over the logo, okay, then what I want to see, then I want the logo to get destroyed. Okay, I want the logo to get destroyed. So how we will do that? Just go to sprite, scroll down, again, then just find the last third block, which is sprite dot destroy, and then just put it here. So the logo dot destroy, and I want that my Shinchan one dot visible. Okay, the Shinchan one dot visible. Just give a second. Okay, then what I want is that my Shinchan one dot visible should be equal to 1. Okay, if you want, you can type it through also. So now let's run it and see. Okay, so we have get the correct output. Okay, so now see, let's add here a text. Okay, so let's add here a text. So for adding the text, what you have to do? Okay, so see, let's use this fill. Okay, so first of all, you have to define the color for this the text. Okay, so let's just use this. Just go to drawings and select this second block. Okay, which is fill. So what should be the color of the text? Okay, so what should be the color of the text? So it should be white. Okay, it should be white. And after that, see what should be the size of text. Okay, so the size of text should be or 15. Okay, and now just see, now if you want, you can define the font also. So here I'm going to define the font as comic. Okay, so see, here you are getting so many things for the text. You are having this text and line also. You can use this one also here. So now after that, see, now just use this set. Okay, so this text block. Okay, so what should be the text? Okay, so the text should be hey there. Okay, hey there, I am Shin Chan. Please help me to smash the capsicum. Okay, so this is the text which should be get displayed. Okay, so I think it's at good, but see, now let's define its x and y position. So see, this. So now let's put the x and y position of that. So see here, I would like to just put the text. Okay, but you don't have any option to. Also, see, just do one thing. Let's leave it till please help only. Okay, for that text will. Okay, so I'm Shinchan. So please help. Till then only just leave it, and after again just use this text block. Okay, just paste it again. Please help me to smash the capsicum. Okay, so this is what I want to put there. Okay, so see, now let's give the x and y position. So the let's give the x position for the first one. Okay, so it should be 46 and 139. Okay, so 46 comma 139. Okay, 139. Let's reset and run it. And after that, for the second text, it's C. It should be 54 and 163. Okay, it should be 54 and 163. Then let's reset and run it. Okay. So okay. Now after that, see. Now there is going to be the game. Okay. So let's make the game here. So first of all, see, I'm going to just create the second sprite, which is Shinchan uh, 2. Okay, so the Shinchan 2 and Shinchan 2 dot set animation. This is Shinchan 2 dot set animation to this Shinchan 2. Okay, now let's reset and run it. So it's just a little bit bigger. So let's use the sprite dot scale block to make it smaller. Okay, so the Shinchan dot scale should be equal to 0.5. So it should be equal to 0.5. Okay, so I can see it's at good position, but see, I wanted to just move whenever I'm moving my cursor. Okay, but see, first of all, I don't want to be visible here, so let's give its visibility to false now. So Shinchan, it's a Shinchan 2 dot visible should be equal to 0. Okay, and see, or just copy this if mouse or pressed condition, and then just paste it here. Okay, so if mouse pressed over this the okay, so see, if mouse pressed over this the Shinchan 1. Okay, Shinchan 1, then I want the Shinchan 1 to get destroyed. Okay, Shinchan 1 to get destroyed, and then the Shinchan 2 dot visibility should be equal to. Okay, so like this we're going to do. So let's see. Okay, so now after that, see. Okay, so now I wanted to just move whenever I'm moving my cursor. So see, let's use this uh, Shinchan dot x and Shinchan 2 dot y. Okay, so the Shinchan 2 dot x and then the Shinchan 2 dot y. So what I want is that my Shinchan dot x should be equal to my world dot mouse x and the Shinchan 2 by the world dot mouse y. Okay, so now let's reset and run it and see. Okay. This isn't working. Just give it a second. See, just put it in this the just put it in this draw loop. Okay, then it will work. Okay, just put it in this draw loop so I can see it's working. Okay, but after that, see, I would like to just create the sprite of that. The just give me a second. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay, and after that, see. Okay, so after that, what I want is CD. I want that there should my okay. I want to just create a sprite of that capsicum, and I want the Shinchan to just smash it. Okay, so let's create it. So let me give the name as cap only. Okay, as the name is too big, so let's give the name as cap. So cap dot set animation to our capsicum. Okay, let's choose it. Let's run the code and see. So see, just use a cap dot scale because it's too big, right? And I want to make it too small. So it's the value as 0.2 or 0.4. Yes, 0.4 should work. Okay, let me see. Okay. So now see, what you have to do is, or just give it. Okay, just give it second. Okay, but see, let's give do something for its visibility. So see, choco dot visible. Okay, so choco not sorry, or the cap dot visible. Okay, so I want to just not make it visible. I want to make it invisible for now. Okay, so the capsicum dot visible should be equal to 0. But after that, if I will click this Shinchan 1, then its visibility should be true. Okay, so uh, cap dot visible should be equal to 1. Right? So I want this to happen. And also see, just give its y exposition to 400. Okay, just give its exposition to 400. Okay, now let's give it a. Okay, so see. For now, just put it 200 only, but here let's give its x. Okay, so the cap dot x should be equal to 400. Okay, and now let's give it a velocity. Okay, so it will come. So the cap dot velocity x should be equal to by minus 10. Okay, minus 10. So now let me see if it's working. Okay, minus 10 because it's going to decrease from there, right? Okay, I'm not able to see it. Okay, so you can see it's going. Okay, now after that, see. Okay, so now after that, let's see how will it come again and again. So see, let's define a if condition for that. So see if. So now let's use this less than operator. Okay, so see if choco dot sorry choco not sorry the cap. Okay, so if the cap dot x is going to be less than 0, then what I want to see, then I would like that the cap dot okay, I want that the cap dot x should be equal to okay, I want to put the cap dot x should be 400 only, but cap dot y should be equal to a random integer because ये यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, कहीं से भी. Okay, but मैं चाहती हूँ start यहीं से होना चाहिए. Okay, so this is the code we can use for it. Okay, just use this random integer block. So it should be taken random number between 0 to 400. Okay, between 0 to 400. So let's reset and run it and see. Okay, so you can see it's coming again and again, right? So now see, now let's define the code for this if it's going to touch that. Okay, so see, just use this if block. So see, and now let's use this and block here. Okay, so see, if mouse pressed over the cap, okay, if and also if my Shinchan 2 is touching the cap. Okay, if the Shinchan 2 is touching the cap, then what I want to see, then I want to put the cap dot velocity x and velocity y. Okay, then my cap dot velocity x should be equal to 0 and the velocity y should be equal to 10. Okay, so the velocity y should be equal to 10. So now let's see what is happening in the game. Okay, so I can see it gone, but it's not coming again and again. I want it to come again and again. So how can I do that? So let's define a condition for that. Okay, so see if, so now let's use this greater than operator for it. Okay, so see if my cap dot x is going to be greater than 420, Okay. Then what I want is I want to put the x and y position same. So just do one thing or use this x and y. Okay, so see so see the cap dot x and cap dot y. So the cap dot x should be only 400 and the cap dot y should be a random integer. Okay, it should be a random integer between 0 to 400. Okay, and also now let's give the velocity to it. So see, its velocity x should be minus 10. So cap dot velocity should be minus 10. Okay, and the cap dot velocity y. Okay, the cap dot velocity y should be equal to 0. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, why is that not coming again? Oh, just give a second. Sorry, the cap dot y. Okay, so the cap if the cap dot y is greater than 420. By mistake, I told x. Okay, so now you can see it's kind. But what is the fun without with making a game but without score? Okay, so let's add a score here. So score is in variable. So now let's declare a variable. Okay, so where okay score or I can name it as or smashed. Okay, or score only. Okay, so our score is equals to 0. Okay, so see. Okay, so now just come at the okay now just come at the code of that the cap dot y is greater than 420. Okay, so see, then what I want is that my score should be score plus 1. Okay, score plus 1. Okay, because it should increase the score by 1. So now see, let's add the text also here. Okay, so fill color. So same thing I need. So let's do one thing. Let's copy it. Okay, I'm going to just do one thing. Let's copy it, paste it. So just remove the draw sprites. I by mistake I copied that. Okay, so see the text. Okay, so what should be the text? Okay, so see मुझे प्रिंट क्या करना है वहाँ पे. ओके, जस्ट पे अटेंशन एट दिस. तो मुझे प्रिंट करना है स्मैश. ओके, सो स्मैश should be plus by score. Okay, score. Okay, okay, so the s is in capital. Okay, so now let's put the position of that. Okay, so the exposure should be 30. Okay, the exposure should be 30 and I want the y position should be 25. And now let's reset and run it. Okay, so after the smashed or this again. Just reset and run it. Okay, so we can't. Okay, so here I have just done a mistake. I have not put it in the caps. Okay, I just not put it in the put the S capital. That's why. Oh no, why is that not increasing? I'll just give in second. Oh no, by mistake I deleted the whole code. See for just getting the score, I'll just come in the next session and tell you because I just deleted the whole code and I cannot do it. And already 45 minutes has been gone. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to turn the black thumb blue and subscribe to our channel. And अगर इस ट्रिक के बाद भी इसको वर्क नहीं करा, then you can come at the Discord and you can tell me. I'll just try to debug your project. So thank you